Welcome back guys to another video on my channel. Today I'll be doing a special video. I'll be doing a seafood recipe. So as you can see from my title, I'll be doing shrimp. Stay tuned to see more. So guys, in my heated oil I'm going to add my diced onion, ginger and garlic and allow that to saute. I'm also going to add my curry powder as well to it. So we want our curry powder to burn, and this is how we burn our curry powder. So when you're cooking meat or seafood or anything curry, this is how we usually burn our curry. So I'm going to allow that for a little sting, Going to add some pieces of scotch bonnet pepper to it. So we're just going to add that and then we'll just leave it and allow it to burn. We're going to stir it. So we're going to stir it and then we'll check back.
Remove them from the pot to make the coconut curry sauce.
There you go, find them. Woohoo, guys! Look at the shrimp in the pot. Rainforest seafood. Curry shrimp. Nice. Curry shrimp video coming soon.
Carrots and allow that to cook down a little bit.
So guys, we're now going to add back our cooked shrimp to our coconut milk mixture and then just stir it around. Make sure all the shrimp is getting incorporated in the coconut milk mixture. And then you just wait for it to bubble. So we cook this based on our serving size. So if you're cooking for more people, you add more shrimp and you just double the ingredients that we have used. So guys, you're going to allow that to bubble and then you see what it looks like. Looking good guys, looking good. So guys, I want to thank you all for tuning into this video. We're really excited that we got to make a seafood video for you guys, you know. I hope you all enjoyed. We couldn't wait until it was finished so we could dive into this nice, yumptious, delicious shrimp dish. I must say that you won't know how it tastes until you have tried it yourself. So please try the recipe and comment down below and tell me what you think of it. I really enjoyed. Yum yum. Thanks for watching guys. See you in my next video and remember to subscribe to my channel.